I would like to take you through a simple process of integrating Django Admin Interface with AdminLTE. As we all know, Django Admin Interface has everything we need, but its look is not that appealing. It's secure and it has a good performance, but today I will help you to customize it in a simple way through the use of a third party, that is AdminLTE. Let's start by creating a Django project through the start project command. As you can see, follow me through. Then we run the create super user command. And we get the credential for logging through the admin interface. Put all the credentials as required, the username, the email, the password, and it has been successful. Now we run the server. The server is now running at port 8000 through the localhost. As you can see, everything is up and running, and now we go through the admin interface and we input the credential. We are now logged in. This is how the default admin interface looks like. Now we are going to integrate it with AdminLTE. It's a third party app. We navigate to our project directory and to the settings.py. We go to the installed apps and we add our AdminLTE and the AdminLTE theme. Note they should be at the start or at the top of the other installer. And we are going to install the Django AdminLTE. Let's try to something in the setting files, that is the static root directory. Now I've created a new directory in the same directory with settings.py and urls.py. That's where I've put my static, and I have defined that directory, and I also need to import OS. I add it at the start. Now everything should be working correctly. We are going to run the correct static command. And by now everything should be working. Let us see. It has worked. Now when we run the server, and we visit the admin interface, we find it has been integrated with the AdminLTE. It's a very simple process, but it's worth it. Now the interface, it looks amazing, and I believe you can try it in your next project. You don't have to go through all the customization.